Hey guys, so I'm in my son's Prius again today, and what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade this stereo right now, and this is the non-JBL version, so we're going to upgrade this to get Okay, so first we need to take off some of these panelings before we even get to the stereo. And most of these things is why you need this. It's you gotta pry it open. So what you want to do is just try to get underneath, and there should be some pins that will pop open, and you just gotta have faith that it's there. And sometimes the pins break when you pry it open because they're often plastic. So you take this out, and you'll need to disconnect these things. You just push on the tab right here, and it disconnects, all right? So let's put this aside for now. So next up, we need to remove this part right here. The reason we need to remove this is because it comes up all the way up here, and we need to access this area. So it's not like we're doing anything here, but we do need to remove it. So same thing, you use that plastic tool to pry it open. All right. Okay, so up next you need to take out this framing right here. You can see all the way around. So let's start with this side. All right. Okay. Another tab where you push down on this tab and you can take that out. Okay, so now we've exposed the nuts. Okay, this is a 10mm nut. There's 4 of them, 2 on each side. Okay, so we need to remove that. All right, so we're gonna you need a long extension on your socket wrench because it's pretty deep in there. So you want to take out those 10mm nuts. Make sure you don't drop that nut, or else it'll be very hard for you to fish out. Same thing on this side. Once you break open the nut, break free the nut, you could just do it by hand. And again, be careful, don't drop it, especially on this side because there's a lot of space for it to fall down. Okay, I forgot. You need to take this out too to get to that nut. That's why I was having such a hard time getting to it. All right, once you take this out, then we have a free path to this nut. Okay, got the nut there. All right, so now we should be able to remove the stereo. Okay, let's take a look back there. Go around the back so you can see. Alright, so there's a bunch of assorted cables, so let's just remove them so that we can remove the stereo. And hopefully the connectors will fit perfectly on the new system like they advertised. Wow, there's a lot of plugs in here. All right. I guess the good news is that all the plugs are different, so if you need to reconnect it, you can't really make a mistake. They all look a little different.